Deleting rows and columns. We can delete unwanted rows and columns from the worksheet. Deleting rows. To delete rows, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the row and click on the Delete button in the Cells group on the Home tab and choose the Delete Sheet Rows option from the drop-down menu. Or right-click on the row which we want to delete and select the Delete option. Step 2. The selected row will be deleted and the contents below this row will shift up by one row. Deleting columns. To delete columns, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the column header and click the Delete drop-down button in the Cells group on the Home tab. Choose the Delete Sheet Columns option or right-click on the column header which we want to delete. Select the Delete option. Step 2. The selected column will be deleted and the contents lying to the right of this column will shift left by one column. Changing row height and column width. On the worksheet, we can specify a column width of 0 to 255 and row height of 0 to 409. This value represents the number of characters that can be displayed in a cell that is formatted with the standard font. Changing row height. Step 1. Select the rows that we want to change. Step 2. On the Home tab in the Cells group, click Format. Step 3. Under Cell Size, click Row Height option in the appeared drop-down menu. Step 4. In the Row Height dialog box, type the value that we want. Click OK. Or to auto-fit the row height, click Auto-fit Row Height under Cell Size. Changing column width. To change the column width, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the columns that we want to change. Step 2. On the Home tab in the Cells group, click Format. Step 3. Under Cell Size, click Column Width option in the appear drop-down menu. Step 4. In the Column Width dialog box, type the value that we want. Click OK. Or to autofill the column width, click Autofit Column Width under Cell Size. Operators. Operators specify the type of calculation that we want to perform on the elements of a cell or formula. There are 4 different types of calculation operators: arithmetic, comparison, text, concatenation, and reference. Arithmetic operators. To perform basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, combine numbers, and produce numeric results, use the following arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operator, meaning, example, plus sign, addition, equal to A1 plus B1, asterisk, multiplication, equal to A1 asterisk B1, caret, exponentiation, equal to A1 caret B1, minus sign, subtraction, equal to A1 minus B1, forward slash, division, equal to A1 forward slash B1. Comparison operators. When two values are compared by using comparison operators, the result is a logical value, either true or false. We can compare two values with the following operators. Comparison operator, meaning, example, equal to A1 equal to B1, less than A1 less than B1, less than or equal to A1 less than or equal to B1, greater than A1 greater than B1, greater than or equal to A1 greater than or equal to B1, not equal to A1 not equal to B1. Text concatenation operator. Use the ampersand or concatenate, join one or more text strings to produce a single piece of text. Reference operators. Combine ranges of cells for calculations with the following operators. Reference operator, meaning, example, colon, range operator which produces one reference to all the cells between two references, including the two references, B5, colon, B15, comma. Union operator which combines multiple references into one reference. Equal to sum B5 colon B15 comma D5 colon D15. Space intersection operator which produces one reference to cells common to the two references. B7 colon D7 space C6 colon C8. Calculation in Excel. Excel follows general mathematical rules for calculations, which is parenthesis, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, or any acronym PEMDAS. Using parentheses allows us to change that calculation order. For doing calculations in an Excel cell, we need to use arithmetic operators. We can easily get the result of a calculation if we follow these rules properly. The following examples shows how it is done for the given expression. Summing up. Formatting features help us to enhance the overall look of the workbook. Text formatting includes font face, font size, style, color, etc. Combining two or more cells is known as merging. Alignment is the setting of text flow or image relative to cell edge. Splitting cells means to separate two cells that were previously merged. Microsoft Excel allows us to insert rows and columns in a worksheet. In Microsoft Excel, we can delete unwanted rows and columns from the worksheet. In Microsoft Excel, we can change row height and column width. There are 4 different types of calculation operators in Excel: arithmetic, comparison, text concatenation, and reference. Excel follows general mathematical rules for calculations, which is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition,